Joe Ligo here, and I'm here with, what's your name?
Miller.
Kate Miller. Now, Kate, something recently has come to the attention of the students of Mercer High School. Have you heard about it?
Not that I know of.
You haven't heard about the word.
No, I haven't heard about the word.
You don't know about what the word is?
No.
About a certain ornithological matter?
I don't even know what that word means.
So you don't know the word then, I take it.
No, I do not.
You don't know that the word is the bird. Word is the bird.
Okay.
What's your name, young man?
Anthony.
Anthony. Well, I heard that a recent concern has come to my attention here at the school.
What would that be?
Well, it has to do about something called the word.
What's the word?
Well, the word is the bird. Oh, look, there's somebody else. I'd like to ask you a question. Have you heard about the word?
What word?
The word is the bird. Surfin Now, I unfortunately hate to bring this up because it's a bad time, but there's a certain matter that has arose in our school, and I wanted your opinion on it.
I can do that. What matter?
Well, it's a matter concerning the word.
Oh.
Do you know what the word?